In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the pointer tool in Microsoft Teams while presenting your PowerPoint slides. Whether you're teaching a class, hosting a business meeting, or you simply want to guide your audience more clearly during a presentation, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Microsoft Teams app and join your meeting. Once you're inside the meeting, look for the Share button. It's usually located in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on Share, and you'll see several presenting options. Look for PowerPoint Live, which allows you to present slides directly inside Teams. Click on the PowerPoint file you want to present. Teams will load your slides, and you'll see your full presentation along with useful controls to help you present smoothly. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your PowerPoint file is uploaded to Teams beforehand, check that your internet connection is stable, and confirm that your audience can see your screen. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent unnecessary issues during your meeting. Once your slides are displayed, look toward the toolbar below your presentation. You'll see several tools, and one of them is the laser pointer. Click on the laser pointer icon, and now you can move your cursor across the slide to highlight specific words, images, or graphs. This tool helps you guide your audience's attention exactly where you want it, making your presentation much more engaging. After you're done using the pointer, you can switch to other tools like the pen or highlighter, or simply continue presenting normally. It's also a good idea to practice switching between tools before your actual meeting. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your presentation professional. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to use the pointer in Microsoft Teams presentations easily and effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?